Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to convert PDF file to Word in Android phone. Open Google Play Store. Then search PDF to Word Converter. Click this app. Install this app. Now open app. Then click select PDF. Select your PDF file. Click this icon. Then click convert. Click cancel. Skip this ad. Now open file. You can open it from file manager if you want. Click file. Click documents. Select doc. Now open your file. You must have WPS Office or Microsoft Office installed to open the file. Thanks for watching.